The integration of AI into healthcare is transforming the way medical professionals diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. AI possesses the ability to process vast amounts of data quickly, improving efficiency and accuracy in various healthcare processes. First, AI systems are enhancing diagnostic capabilities. With machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect anomalies and patterns, thus aiding early detection of diseases such as cancer or pulmonary infections. These algorithms improve accuracy by reducing human error and delivering consistent results. Secondly, AI assists in personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's genetic information alongside their lifestyle habits, AI can recommend customized treatment plans tailored to the individual. This application of AI ensures that treatments are more effective and reduces the trial and error approach often associated with prescription medicines. AI also enhances patient management systems. It can automate administrative tasks such as scheduling, billing, and maintaining medical records. Such automation frees up time for healthcare providers to focus more on patient care rather than paperwork. Moreover, AI is instrumental in predicting outbreaks and facilitating preventive measures. By analyzing health data from various sources, AI can track patterns and predict the spread of infectious diseases, enabling healthcare providers to implement preventive strategies and allocate resources effectively. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots and virtual health assistants are becoming prevalent. They offer patients round-the-clock access to medical advice, reducing the load on healthcare professionals and improving patient experience through immediate support. Finally, AI improves drug discovery and research. It accelerates the identification of potential drug compounds by predicting how they'll interact with proteins in the human body, thus cutting down the time needed to develop new medications. In conclusion, the use of AI in healthcare promises a future where medical services are more accurate, personalized, efficient, and accessible. While challenges such as data privacy and ethical concerns remain, the continued advancement in AI technology is expected to usher in a new era of healthcare. Healthcare systems globally are investing in AI technologies, foreseeing a time where AI will be an integral part of patient care and management. Subscribe for more videos and tips.